I am going to show you how I maintain my hair so that it can blend with my wig when I wake up in the morning and wear it for the day. So it's really simple what I do. I just do Bantu knots. Depending on what style I'll do the next day, I may just have to do one. Sometimes I do two if I want like curly bangs coming in the front. So I use Eden Body Works, their coconut defining cream, and then just seal it with an oil or shea butter. So let me go and show you really quickly how I do my Bantu knots. So you want to twirl the hair as you wrap it around itself. So you're making little buns. So you see I twirl my hair around, then I wrap it, making a bun. So the next morning I took out the Bantu knots and you see the curl pattern here. For the first hairstyle, I'm grabbing the sides and pulling it up towards the center of my crown. Let's get into half up, half down hairstyles. I am putting my hair in a ponytail at the top of my hair, and you see me grabbing little pieces from the top of the wig to make it blend in. Then you go ahead and secure a ponytail. Making sure you have your hair in there and a little bit of the hair from the wig. Very cute. Next, we're going to do a top knot. So go ahead and just wrap your hair around itself, creating the bun. And once you get it in the position you want, you can secure it with some bobby pins. And it's as simple as that. For this half up, half down hairstyle, I'm only putting my hair, my leave out, into a nice diamond clip. This way you'll have more volume up top, and it's a very cute 60s-ish type of looking hairstyle. For the last hairstyle, you are going to part your hair down the middle and then just start a flat twist all the way down to your ear. Once you get to the bottom, just secure with a bobby pin. Go ahead and switch over to the other side, do the same thing, secure with a bobby pin, and voila. Hey friend, did you subscribe yet? Make sure you also leave a comment below and follow me on Instagram at Adia_Sherelle.